Fractions are really easy after you get used to them, but multiplying fractions is like whoa. I am not going to lie, multiplying fractions are hard at first, but then they get really easy. I did struggle with multiplying fractions too, but after you learn how to do it, they are really easy, and it leaves you thinking, how did I not think of this? Well, multiplying fractions, you do top times bottom, bottom times bottom, then simplify, as you see in my little cloud circle thing. So, my first example, 6 over 4 times 5 over 8. So as you see, we start with the top. So the top says 6 times 5. So we all know that 6 times 5 is 30, right? Then we go to the bottom. 4 times 8 is 32. There, we did it. We finished our first 2 steps. But what we also have to do is we have to simplify. Simplifying is easy. You just find a number that is divisible by both of the numbers. And the one thing you have to remember is that if you divide the bottom number, in this example 32, so let's say you choose 2 to be your number divisible by both. So you do 32 divided by 2. So if you divide 32 by 2 twice, you have to divide 30 by 2 twice. It's just how it goes. You can't divide 32 by 2 4 times, and divide 30 by 2 5 times. The number I chose that is divisible by both 30 and 32 is 2. So I divided 32 by 2 once, and 30 by 2 once, which I get 15 over 16. So that is the answer. So if it's not looking, if you don't get it, by now, it's okay. But my next example, I'm sure you will get it. My next example is 8. My next example is 8 over 10 times 4 over 4. So remember, we do 8, the top times top. So 8 times 4 is 32. So the top answer is 32. 10 times 4 is 40, so the bottom is 40. Then we simplify by a number that is divisible by both. The number I chose that is divisible by both numbers is 4. So I divided 40 by 4 twice, and I divided 32 by 4 twice. Then simplify, my answer is 2 over 10. I hope that my multiplying fractions has helped you. So I hope that you remember my tip, and I suggest that you write it down when you are doing this, because this will help you a lot. So this is the end of my video. I hope that it has helped and you continue to learn. Remember, multiplying fractions are really easy, and it's also fun when you get to teach your friends and you and your friends both get to know it. What?